Hey everyone, welcome back. So I know I told you that our next video was going to be outside with the coal forge and our makeshift anvil to show you how well it worked. I went outside and I actually made quite a few things off of this. Unfortunately, I did not take a look at the camera and it was not recording. So we're back inside today. I figure a better way to show you what this can do is I've got a project going where I have to draw down a chunk of Damascus steel. So I'm going to go ahead and do that rather than showing you what this works with mild. So I'll get everything heated up and then we'll just focus in on showing you how well the anvil is working against a 1095, 15 and 20 piece of Damascus. Be right back with you guys. Okay guys, as you can see, This little anvil is clearly working to draw down steel. That's 1095, 15, and 20. So high carbon, and it is working just as well as that large, there it is, chunk of steel that I used as an anvil shaped object, if not possibly better. The only complaint I have is the way I have it mounted. If I were to use this for myself, I would probably just drive this down into a tree stump and call it good. And it will definitely work for you. So have a great day, guys. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button and let us know below some of the things that you'd like to see us make. Take care.